What do I want?
Warp Factor 1.
Let's go. All right.
You ready? Wow, that doors, man. You can feel that go like
Now, what I'm going to do, I got it. This clutch is different. You can't slide the clutch. You got to let it out and then nail it. Okay.
That's how you normally do it, isn't it? Whoa! Okay. Oh, are those good brakes? Holy cow, are those brakes good? My gosh, was that good?
No rerun.
I couldn't believe it. That was.
And just think, I got 400 pounds of extra weight.
Yeah, no kidding. It's got a good. Oh, man, this shift just like knocks you out. Oh, Lee, the brakes on this thing are fantastic.
You got drum or disc on here?
No. I was gonna say, here we are back at humble Barbone's house.
And this car has 180,000 miles.
Wow.
So.
My gosh, and whose car could this be? Barbone Grazik. And what does he say about it? Nothing!
Yes, that happened.
There's Ray's car. Dave and Kathy Shelby. A GT500.
The fenders, the cowl,
Yeah.
in front of the windshield, the doors, and the back quarters are steel Mustang.
Show it to you. Did you
Is this the infamous GTO man?
This is.
This
is
is Roz. This is Roz. Finally, I get to meet you. Oh my gosh, it looks like the back of a stereo unit, you know?
I'm on the Star Trek Enterprise back there.
Exactly.
That guy, you know?
I've seen a panel like that.
All right, this is normal. Rev it a couple of times. All right, now do open headers. Oh. Good, good.
Wow, what a difference, huh?
You can go to church and still be cool.
That's right.
On the other side, it was stuck in, and I broke it getting it out.
Hey, Jimmy Camaro.
Hey, there he is. Hey, bud.
He's got a 396. Good friend of Ray's.
I just love cars ever since.
That is a rare.
It is a rare car. But no, we saw it was.
And here's Ray's competition. Red with the black trim. Holy cow, that's modified. That's a another 79 Trans Am. 4-speed.
They'll leave a message.
Oh, yes.
All the time.
Big Fin Cadillac.
Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class. Well, that pretty soon.
Looking like a John Milner car. GTO. Tick-tock-tick. The Judge. Very cool. Here's my old car with the T-tops, Nocturne Blue. The 57 combo Corvette. At the back end, 57.
Rick Spencer of Sarasota, Florida. Rick Spencer, wherever you are.
Yeah. My favorite. This looks like a 66 GTO. I like this style better than 67 because of the bat wings in the rear. Tail lights, they flare up in the edge. And 3 deuces. And that's where they got the term. 3 deuces in a 4-speed and a 389. That's a little bit unique. That's a cool back end. Very cool. Here's the new Hemi Charger.
I saw the car. Had a black top on it.
Yep. Push the button.
A Jeep with the 50 cal called the Hun Gun. Oh my gosh, it looks like the back of a stereo unit, you know?
I'm on the Star Trek Enterprise back there.
Exactly.
Guy, you know?
Seen a panel like that.
All right, this is normal. Rev it a couple of times. All right, now do open headers. Oh. Good, good.
Wow, what a difference, huh?
You can go to church and still be cool. Like it's the Red Baron, you know? The Red Baron!
I think you got a cylinder missing.
It's good.